The AI Genius Club includes 25 of the most in-demand AI apps, from writing tools like the Business Promo Genius that allows you to enter in your website or affiliate link. It will then create 100% unique captions and images that you can use on social media. Or the Wow Writing tool that allows you to enter in large prompts, PDF documents, then generate detailed responses and images to go along with the responses. There's an AI video generator that allows you to enter in your website or affiliate link, select your theme, then generate videos with AI. Here's an example of a video I just created.
Welcome to the great discovery of the future of e-learning and online business. This AI-powered platform is designed to transform how you manage your business operation.
You can also create voiceovers, detailed video scripts where you can include custom calls to action, and a full video editor allowing you to edit videos in any way you'd like, replacing many expensive video editing softwares. There's also a variety of imaging tools like the hyper-realistic image generator that allows you to create images with whatever text you want in them, and the Genius Image Model that allows you to train an AI based upon your face and likeness, then create unlimited images of yourself that look just like you in a variety of settings and lighting. This replaces the need to hire a professional photographer or continuously take new photos of yourself. There's also business tools like a full CRM that allows you to send out mass emails and set up different email automations. Most CRMs cost you over $100 a month, but you get a full CRM included in your AI Genius Club membership. There's also a phone system, a task manager system, and an invoice generator that's integrated directly into the CRM. There's also website tools that allow you to build fast funnels, train and launch your own chatbots, and buy domains, all from a single interface. Now, the Genius Club does retail for $59 a month, but if you simply refer 3 people into the AI Genius Club, your monthly membership drops to 0, and you earn commissions for each month they maintain a paid membership. So now you can operate your entire business for $0 a month and actually get paid to do it. If you're ready to get started with your AI Genius Club membership, click on the link below. Then scroll down till you see where it says Join Now. And remember, if you simply refer 3 people into the AI Genius Club, your monthly membership drops to $0 per month. Click the green button Join Now. That will add the AI Genius Club membership into your shopping cart and your affiliate status for your entire first year for free. Then click Check Out. Then scroll down a little bit and click Check Out one more time. Now it's time to fill out your affiliate sign up. Fill out all this information for tax purposes. Then create your personal web address. This will create your unique affiliate link so you can go out there and share the Genius Club with other people. Then enter and verify your password, click on these 3 boxes, and continue with the checkout process. Any one of these tools in the AI Genius Club is likely to cost you more than $59 a month, and you get all the AI tools that you need for your business under one low monthly subscription. If you simply refer 3 people, you get all of them for free every month. The AI Genius Club is an incredible value, and the affiliate program that they've created actually pays you out in over 7 different ways through a global revenue share model, meaning you have a stake and share in the company's global success. So if you're ready to get started, click on the link below and we'll see you in the AI Genius Club.